What if I told you that some of the fastest growing millionaires today don't own an office, don't commute, and don't even have employees in one location? In this video, I'll show you how people are building serious wealth without a physical office, using nothing but skills, systems, and the internet. If you want freedom, income, and scalability, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch till the end. Intro: Why physical offices are no longer required. The traditional office model is expensive, restrictive, and slow to scale. In 2026, wealth is built through digital leverage, remote systems, and global access. The internet has removed location limits, high startup costs, and gatekeepers. Key truth: you don't need a building to build wealth, you need value. Core principle: wealth follows value, not location. Money flows to problems you solve, results you deliver. Whether you're at home, in a cafe, on your phone, people pay for skills, knowledge, and solutions. Example: a graphic designer in Nigeria can earn in dollars without ever meeting clients physically. 5 powerful ways to build wealth without a physical office. 1. Digital skills plus remote clients. High-income digital skills include copywriting, video editing, graphic design, web development, social media management, AI automation. Why this works? Low startup cost, high global demand, paid in strong currencies. Example: one client pays $500 a month, 10 clients equals $5,000 a month. No office, no rent. 2. Online business models. You can run a full business online through digital products, ebooks, online courses, templates, coaching or consulting, business coaching, relationship coaching, life or faith-based coaching, e-commerce with no inventory, dropshipping, print on demand. Power move: build once, sell repeatedly, scale globally. 3. Content creation as a wealth engine. Platforms that pay without an office: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Income streams from content: ad revenue, brand deals, affiliate marketing, your own products. Important: you don't need millions of followers, you need the right audience. 4. Systems and automation. Wealth grows when you stop trading time for money. Systems work for you. Examples of systems: automated email marketing, AI chatbots, sales funnels, online payment systems. Rule: if it requires your daily presence, it's not scalable. 5. Remote teams and outsourcing. You don't need an office to build a team. Hire freelancers remotely for editing, design, customer support. Tools used: Zoom, Slack, Trello, Google Workspace. Result: a global team working while you focus on growth. Common mistakes to avoid: waiting for perfect conditions, trying too many things at once, chasing quick money instead of skills, thinking small because you're working from home. Reminder: some of the biggest companies today started from bedrooms. Final mindset shift: wealth is no longer tied to buildings, offices, or locations. It's tied to skills, systems, and scalability. Your laptop or phone can be your office, your factory, your bank. Call to action: if this video helped you, like the video, comment "online wealth," subscribe for more wealth building content, share this with someone who still thinks success needs an office.